Welcome boys to the second video of how do organisms reproduce. In last video we were talking about that while in the production of sperm or ova, the organism does some mistakes which makes the organism's body similar but not identical. In this video I will tell you that how this chemical reaction inculcates error in itself. Fine. So here, as you are able to see, that the biochemical reaction which I was talking about, that making the copy of DNA, ठीक है, तो while making the copy of DNA the error occurs. I will show you how occurs, but always remember that while making the copy of DNA, in maximum part of the DNA the changes occurs, which you also can say error occurs, but always remember that the basic blueprint of the organism is not disturbed. It is always maintained constant. What do I mean by saying that basic blueprint? The basic blueprint is that whenever there is a baby of chicken, it is a chicken, then it is always a cheek. Elephant will always have an elephant. Dogs will always have a puppy. A human being will always have a human being baby. So this is the basic blueprint which is followed in every organisms, but there are some errors, some changes also, which does not disturb the basic blueprint of the organism. In this video I will tell you that what type of error occur in the organism while making the copy of the DNA. Fine. So boys, here I have drawn a normal DNA. Fine. We have got four types of nitrogenous bases, that is thymine, cytosine, adenine or guanine. While preparing this DNA diagram, you can fill in one side of the diagram by any pattern of by writing in any pattern of this four nitrogenous bases. Okay, you can start with T, you can start with C, or any letter you can start, but you have to go through only with these all only four types of nitrogenous bases, that is thymine, cytosine, adenine और guanine. ठीक है, यही चार आता है, इन्हीं चार से आपको पूरा अरेंजमेंट करना है. बट देयर आर सम बेसिक रूल्स. ओके, ठीक है, आप इसको कैसे भी लिख दीजिए, है ना. आप किसी को कितना बार रिपीट भी कर सकते हो सकता था सब पे एक ही टाइप का लेटर होता है ना. तो आपको इन्हीं चार में ही सीमित रहना है, या एक से भी आप पूरा कर सकते हैं. और यू कैन राइट ऑल फोर बाय अरेंजिंग इन एनी पैटर्न, और ओके, एनीथिंग you can write here, but bound to the four nitrogenous bases only. Fine, you can repeat the nitrogenous bases in any number, but you have to fix only 10. There are only 10 nitrogenous bases in one groove. Fine, you can say in one loop there is only 10 nitrogenous bases. Fine, this is the one rule. The second rule is that thymine always pair up with adenine and vice versa, while cytosine always pair with guanine and vice versa. These two rules you have to remember. That first rule is you have to draw only 10 spaces for nitrogenous bases. You cannot increase it or neither decrease it. Okay, it is constant 10, and you have to always pair the thymine with the adenine and cytosine with the guanine and vice versa. Fine, I have done the same. See, thymine, adenine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, है ना. So I have followed the rule here. What happens that a single set of DNA is copied. ठीक है, if you will see, if you will have a look over it, you will be able to see that I have drawn the same diagram here. Okay, here the loop has been opened. This opening of the loop is done by various types of enzymes. Actually, in this whole process, half dozen of the enzymes are involved. So all the activities are done by enzymes, so you don't have to do worry that how this is happening. All the things are being done by enzymes here. So I have drawn the same diagram here, and the loop has been opened by the enzyme. Fine. The making of the copy of the DNA is known as transcription. Always remember, it is known as transcription. Fine. So T C C T T A I, this is copy of this, because the same DNA is here. I have shown here DNA in static state and DNA is in copying state. ठीक है, और यू कैन से ट्रांसक्रिप्शन स्टेट. So I have drawn the same diagram. The DNA has been opened, fine, by the help of enzyme. Now the enzyme has also brought some you can say RNAs. ठीक है, RNA primer. These are RNA primer. Blue pen lines are RNA primer. On RNA primer, the same pairing nitrogenous bases came with the help of another enzyme. You are able to see thymine is pairing with adenine, cytosine is pairing with guanine, thymine is adenine, adenine thymine, guanine cytosine, adenine thymine, adenine, है ना. So this is the formation of RNA primer and the coming of nitrogenous bases are done by with the help of enzymes. But sometimes what happens, okay, what I'm just going to tell you can happen at any stage, but I'm showing you here. होना क्या था कि थाइमीन को एडिनाइन ही पेयर में चाहिए था, बट एक गलती हो गई एंजाइम से. ये एडिनाइन के बदले यहाँ पर गुआनाइन आ गया, ठीक है, या साइटोसिन आ गया, या थाइमीन ही आ गया. तो ये तो गलती हो गई, है ना, ये तो गलती हो गई. अब ये गलती क्या होगा, ये गलती आगे भी जाएगा, है ना, स्पर्म में जाएगा, हो सकता है वहाँ भी वो कॉपी होगा, तो वो गलती तो आगे बढ़ेगी, है ना. एक झूठ छुपाने के लिए हमें 100 झूठ बोलना पड़ता है, तो एक गलती जो होता है वो आगे जाके फिर 100 गलतियाँ करता है. तो दिस एरर, ओके, दिस फॉल्ट इज कंटिन्यूड इन अदर कॉपिंग ऑल्सो, है ना. सो एक छोटा एरर आगे जाके बड़ा एरर बन जाता है. तो यही जो एरर आया, फाइन, दिस मेक्स द ऑर्गेनिज्म सिमिलर एंड नॉट आइडेंटिकल. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये एरर कहीं भी हो सकता था और कितनों बार ये एरर हो सकता है. ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि एक ही बार मैंने दिखाया, इस पूरे लूप में तो एक ही बार हुआ है. ये से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता था या बिना एरर का भी जा सकता था. बट अ होल DNA इज़ 2.2 मीटर लॉन्ग, तो कहीं भी ये कितनों बार भी ये गलती हो सकती थी. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ एरर प्रोड्यूसेस डिफरेंट प्रोटीन. अगर AAT होता तो कुछ और प्रोटीन बनता. अब यहाँ पर क्या हो जा रहा है, AGT हो जाए या ACT हो जाए या ATT हो जाए, है ना. यहाँ पर कोई भी आ जाए इन तीनों से, तो यहाँ पर जो मैं ग्रुप बना रहा हूँ उसमें बीच का अगर नाइट्रोजन स्पेस बदल जाता है तो वो प्रोटीन भी दूसरा बन जाता है. तो जब प्रोटीन ही दूसरा बन गया तो कैरेक्टर ही दूसरा दिखा देगा. फाइन, सो दैट्स वाई error brings difference in the parents and the offspring. So this is the error which occurs. Okay, so I think you all have understood it. Take care, thank you, and in next video we will go with further more information about reproduction. Thank you students.